So I was about to take photos of this thing and list it on Marketplace. Took it for a final lap. I don't like a sound I hear. A little hard to do with one hand, but I'll put you guys down. Now I know I just teabagged you guys, but take a look at this. Nice diff. I'd say those shocks are pretty shot. Well, let's see if those are gonna be a pain or they're gonna come out easy. Old ones are out. Had 0 bushing left. No rigidity. New ones are in. And now my hair is stuck in the damn creeper. I'm ready to cut it off. I donate it though for cancer, so that's the only thing that's been stopping me. And that's my hair. Because when you work alone, you don't have anyone to call for help. If you want to see me go into replacing those shocks more, check out the full video on my YouTube coming out next week. Like, comment, and subscribe.